Hello students, I am Shiv Prasad. Welcome in maths class. Students, today we are going to study math chapter 13 exponent and powers exercise 13.1. Students, we have already solved question number 1 to 4. Now we are going to solve question number 5. Question number 5 has given express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. Part 1 has given 648. Okay. Now see the solution of question number 5 part 1. First of all, find the prime factors of 648. Okay, 648 is divisible by 2, so divide by 2. 2 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 1 2 12, 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4. Now divide by 2 again, 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2. 81 is not divisible by 2, so divide by 3. 3 27 ja 81, 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. So the prime factors of 648 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, you can see here 2 is given 3 times, so we can write it as 2 to the power 3, and 3 has given 4 times. Okay, so we can write it as 3 to the power 4. So the answer is 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4. Okay, now second part of question number 5 has given 405. Now see the solution of part 2. First of all, find the prime factors of 405. 405 is not divisible by 2, so divide it by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 1 0, 10, 3 3 ja 9, 1 5 15, 3 5 ja 15. Again divide by 3. 3 4 ja 12, 1 5 15, 3 5 ja 15. Next 3 15 ja 45, 3 5 ja 15 and 5 1 ja 5. So the solution of the prime factors of 405 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. You can see here 3 3 3 has given 4 times and 5 1 time, so we can write it as 3 to the power 4 into 5. It is the answer. Okay, similarly you can solve part 3 and 4 as homework. Okay, question number 6 has given simplify part 1 2 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, solution of question number 6 part 1 2 into 10 to the power 3 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 3 means 10 into 10 into 10 is equal to 2 into 10 10 ja 100, 10 ja 1000. Now 1000 2 ja 2000. Okay, it is the answer. Next part 2 of question number 6. 7 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 is equal to 7 to the power 2 means 7 into 7 into 2 to the power 2 means 2 into 2. Now 7 7 ja 49 and 2 2 ja 4, 49, 4 ja 196. It is the answer. Next part 3 has given 2 to the power 3 into 5 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 3 times into 5. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 5 ja 40. It is the answer. Next part 4 has given 3 into 4 to the power 4 is equal to 3 into 4 to the power 4 means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 4 times. Now 3 into 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, 64 4 ja 256. Now 256 3 ja 768. It is the answer. Similarly students, you can solve question number part 5 6 7 and 8 as homework. Okay, next question 7 has given simplify part 1 minus 4 to the power 3. Now see the solution of part 1 of question number 7. Minus 4 to the power 3 is equal to minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 3 times. Okay, 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. Okay, now minus minus plus, plus minus minus. Okay, so the answer is minus 64. Second part has given minus 3 into minus 2 to the power 3. So right here minus 3 into minus 2 to the power 3 means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 3 times. Now 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, minus 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 given 4 times. 4 is an even number, so the answer will be positive. Okay, 24. Next part 3 has given minus 3 to the power 2 into minus 5 to the power 2 is equal to minus 3 to the power 2 means minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 5 to the power 2 means minus 5 into minus 5. Now 3 3 ja 9, 5 5 ja 25, minus minus plus, minus minus plus. Okay, now 25 9 ja 225. Okay, similarly you can solve question number part 4 of question number 7 as homework. Okay, now last question number 8 has given compare the following numbers. First part 2.7 into 10 to the power 12 and 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. Okay, solution of part 1 question number 8, 2.7 into 10 to the power 12 and 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. You can see here is 10 to the power 12. It is given in standard form. It is also in standard form. So first of all see the power of 10. Here is given 10 to the power 12 and here is given 10 to the power 8. Okay, you can see 10 to the power 12 is greater than 10 to the power 8. So 2.7 into 10 to the power 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. Okay, it is the answer. Similarly, you can solve part 2 of question number 8 as homework. Okay, thanks.